Okay guys, so welcome to this new video, and today I have something from shopclues, and let me show you what it is. It's a 11-in-1 stainless steel multifunction pocket credit card size toolkit. So let's open it. I purchased this for 49 rupees from Sunday flea market. So here's the thing. It's not at all the size of a credit card. It's quite tiny. Here are the things. There are 11 different functions made of stainless steel, and the functions have been explained. If you can see there, not able to zoom. Here's the case in which you can place it. Okay, let me tell you what are the things here. It has a canned up, open the tin cans, the hook on the surface of the same mouth head. Okay, it refers to this thing. It has a side knife, but cutting ropes after wash can also be cut fruit. A screw up, and then it has a ruler. It has a bottle up. It has a wrench, hexagonal wrench and adjustable wrench. It has a saw. It has a direction of the recognizer. It has a positioning wrench and a round hole. So that are the different things. I think this is the wrong thing. I was promised a little bit bigger size. Okay, so I will take up the mat with them. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much guys for watching this. Have a good day.